So for today's video is going to be a get ready with me because I have a couple of Zoom dates, Zoom meetings to do for today. So ngayon pa lang ganito kaaga. Well, aga day. It's only 8 a.m. right now. So ganito pa lang kaaga is magpo-prep na ako ng aking makeup and everything. By the way, today is extra special kasi special din yung karamihan. Karamihan lang naman. Karamihan sa mga products na gagamitin ko. And kita nyo naman sa title, I am going to use makeup from VT Cosmetics. So if you're not familiar, VT Cosmetics is a Korean brand and ini-endorse to ng BTS. So, hi armies! If you're an army and everything, hello! Welcome to my video. I hope you subscribe. Anyway, so nagpadala kasi yung VT Cosmetics ng ilang makeup and also skincare. By the way, you guys, abangan ninyo. 2 weeks from now, I'll be uploading a skincare challenge. I tried VT Cosmetics skincare line. It's not sponsored or whatsoever. I was just really looking for a skincare line, like a line na talaga na alam mo yun, I can try for 2 weeks tas matingnan kung kung effective and everything. So, kung meron kang skincare product or brand or line na gusto mong testing ko for like a duration of 2 weeks or perhaps a maximum of 1 month, go ahead and comment it down below. But anyway, today, ang isi-share ko sa inyo ay makeup naman. And you guys, ang makeup nito, they're so pretty. This is the VT Cosmetics VT X BTS super tempting line, and I'm so excited. Super tempting talaga siya. So without further ado, let's start. By the way, this is not sponsored. I just really want to share to you guys, lalo na yung sa mga armies dyan na alam mo yun, BTS eh. So first product I'm going to show to you, ito yung kanyang box. This is the super tempting face fixer, and pwede daw itong gamitin before. Oh my god, look at this packaging. Mukha siyang pabango, you guys. It's purple violet. This is a primer. You can use this before and after makeup. So, yun na ang gagawin ko. Actually, kahapon, tinesting ko na to kasi bago ko ipakita sa inyo para alam mo yun, kahit pa paano, may konting idea na ako on the performance and everything. So, I'm just gonna let this dry. So, for foundation, gagamitin ko tong Fashion 21 Ultimate Cover. One of the best local foundation in the Philippines, you guys. Next thing I'm going to do is my eyebrows. I'm going to use it as a detail makeover make brow. So next I'm going to do, guys, is my eyes, and ang gagamitin ko is this one right here. This is the packaging. This is the super tempting VTX BTS super tempting eye palette. And you guys, ang claim to fame nito, versatile eyeshadow palette. Nagpakita ko. Nagamit ko na siya yesterday, so I hope you don't mind. But these are the shades, you guys. These are the colors. So ang claim to fame niya is it's a versatile eyeshadow palette with a creamy soft formula. Features a variety of shades in modern and chic color. Creamy soft formulas sweep on quickly, prevents fallout and any kind of cakiness. So this palette right here is 15 grams, and saan ka ba makakabili ng mga makeup products na pinagchika ko ngayon? Well, you can buy it online. Meron sa Beauty MNL. And you can also get it sa VT Cosmetics website. And then, ipapaship mo na lang dito. And then, meron palang VT Cosmetics Philippines. Meron sa Robinson's Place, Manila. And there's also at Glorieta 3. So, you might wanna go there and check it out if you want to get this. If you're in a die-hard army and you want to use the products that BTS uses. So yeah, at the end, this is the super tempting eyeshadow palette. By the way, this is a shade number 2, which is Tender Classy. Yeah. So first I'm going to get is this shade right here. May mga shade name siya. Wait lang. I think it's, God, ang hirap. Hindi ko kasi naintindihan. So, walang proper labeling. I mean, may labeling, pero it's all in Korean. And then, yung sa Beauty MNL, like, how am I gonna understand that? Saan siya banda? Next I'm going to get is this shade right here. Alright guys, so next I'm going to show to you. Oh, by the way, ito na yung ating eyeshadow. Nothing too fancy. Next product I'm going to show you is this one right here. This is the super tempting triple power mascara. And you guys, I used this yesterday. I was so surprised kasi tignan mo yung applicator niya. It is so freaking thin. But lumalaban siya sa volume dye. And hindi naman siya like super duper like alam para ka ng falsies. But yung ganito kanipes na applicator, may ano siya, may sisha dye. At saka, anong tawag dito? Ako kasi mahilig akong mag-mascara sa lower lashes. And dahil sa nipis nito, nagagawa ko siya ng flawlessly. Alam mo yun, hindi like katulad ng ibang mga mascara, parang dumidikit sa balat ko. Eto, hindi naman siya dumikit sa balat ko. Ewan ko lang today. So, let me just show to you. Okay, sorry yung lapit. So, this is my before lashes. Lagyan ko muna yung isang side. Look at that difference, you guys. Can you see? Ito yung wala, ito yung meron. Alright guys, so ito na ang ating eyes. We're done with the eyes. Okay, so before I show you the next product, I am just going to finish my face. Like, magko-contour muna ako ng bonggang-bongga. Okay? Alright guys, so last but not the least product I'm going to show you is this one right here. This is the BTS Super Tempting Lip Rouge. And ang kanyang chika is, this is vivid color, soft and light texture. Super Tempting Lip Rouge provides silkiness and vivid color expression. And you guys, it's true. It's very, very vivid. I mean, look at this. It is so vibrant. I mean, this shade in particular, yung sinend nila sa akin. Wait, what shade is this anyway? This is in the shade number 6, Picky O. And it's a lively coral orange. And I do agree. And you guys, I tried this yesterday. Ginamit ko ito yesterday. And I was not like expecting it to be like super duper long lasting. Kasi hindi naman siya kiss proof or transfer proof. Pero, day, para siyang, alam mo yan, on the latter part of the day, like probably an hour or 2 hours, parang naging ano siya. Pag nababawasan yung parang upper coat, parang nagiiwan siya ng stain. It sticks on your lips. And I wasn't able to do a wear test, pero yun ang gagawin ko today para makita natin kung worth it ba to sa price niya. Dahil, mamaya sabihin ko yung price. Mag-makeup muna tayo ngayon. Huwag na tayo ma-stress. Pero, like, I wanna know kung gano'n siya ka-long lasting. Babantayan ko na talaga siya today. We're going to eat and have a little mukbang today. But let me just apply it. Para siyang Sunny's Face lip tip. Para siyang Happy Skin, ang tawag dito? Lip mousse. Ito yung type ng lip product na pwede mong ipucker yung lips mo. Like that. It's so soft, so cloudy, yet it's matte. Diba? Pag ginano siya, para talaga siyang like super duper cloudy. I'm gonna add one more layer because I want really opaque color. Oh my God, may naalala ko. May nag-comment din sa isang video ko. Parang sabi niya, kung mag-apply daw ako ng lipstick, para daw akong kumain ng spaghetti. Like, widen ko daw ng baga-bagat. I'm like, die. It's such a called overlining die. If you wanna be Angelina Jolie without lip injections, that's what you do, die. You know, it looks so soft. It feels so soft. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. Diba? So very promising. Anyway, tuloy ang aura. Alright guys, so I hope you don't mind. Nag-wig ako ng bonggang-bongga. Na-miss ko lang mag-wig. Pero syempre mga sa Zoom meetings, tatanggalin ko to. Baka yung sabihin nila, kahapon black hair ka, tapos ngayon nakaganyan ka na. Saan ka nagpasalon? Bilis ah. Anyway, so, next thing we're going to do is I'm going to wear test this Lippy para malaman natin kung worth it ba siya sa price niya, day. Kasi, day, sinabi ko na, diba, you can buy these products sa mismong website ng VT Cosmetics, and meron din sa Robinson's Place, Manila, and then meron din sa Glorieta 3 na VT Cosmetics. I don't know the pricing dun sa physical shop, but meron din kasi sa Beauty M&L. Pag pumunta ka sa Lazada and sa Shopee, wala rin parang like official store ng VT Cosmetics, if I'm not mistaken. So, mga individual independent shops yung meron dun. And they're kind of pricey, like really expensive. The next option you can do is yung Beauty M&L. And this lip rouge sa Beauty M&L is 1,250, you guys. Like, it's 1,250. Like, it's expensive. It's expensive for me because I don't usually buy like makeup around the like 1,000 range as much as possible. I want it to be like affordable. Okay, so yun yung lip rouge. And then, yung super tempting eye palette sa Beauty Manila, Beauty M&L, is 1,880. Dai. This is a high-end makeup pag dumating na dito sa Philippines. So, and then yung mascara, day 1/4 to day sa Beauty M&L, day. Pero ang ganda niya, day. And then this one, parang wala ito sa, yeah, this is not included sa Beauty M&L list. Wait. Yeah, wala. I cannot find the price of this one. Hindi siya available sa website. Wala siya sa Beauty M&L, but I'm pretty sure it's also in a 1,000 plus range. Oh, anyway, speaking of which, I have to set my makeup. Anyway, so I'm pretty sure nasa 1,000 plus range siya. Pag nakita ko, I'm just gonna list it down below. I'm gonna list everything down below kung saan niya mabibili and everything. But for now, ang tingnan na lang natin if this lip rouge is worth it sa price niya. It's so maganda. Like, well, ang ganda yung ano niya eh. Ang ganda yung formula niya talaga. Tingnan lang natin kung long lasting. Okay? Guys, so I am drinking my before meal coffee, the green coffee, and this is what my lips look like. Sorry, ingay ng nanay ko. So, meron pa siyang tint, pero like, it's like a lip tint na. It's not like yung cloudy tint anymore. But let's see kung mawawala yung tint kapag kumain tayo ng tinola. Ay, batang singaw. Girl singaw. Hey guys, so I'm done eating lunch and this is what my lips look like. I'm sorry kung para akong my reflection and everything kasi yung arrows like over there. So this is what my lips look like now. So what can I say about the lip rouge? Honestly, this particular shade, itong shade na ginamit ko, si Picky O, and number 6 Picky O. It is quite long-lasting, you guys. Pero sa first application, ang ganda kasi ng formula niya. It's so soft, it's so comfortable, walang kataki-taki, tapos meron siyang parang blurring effect. But, pag kumain ka and everything, mababawasan yung parang top coat niya. Pero ang matitira sa'yo is a tint na, my God, ito, naghugas na ako, naligo na ako and everything. Ang sugar pa rin, inalkoholan ko na yan, ang sugar pa rin. And then, meron ako sa hita ko. Parang ayaw din niya matanggal. Ayan, nag-smudge lang sa hita ko. So, mabawasan, mawawala yung blurring coat and everything at ang matitira sa'yo is tint. Tapos, and long-lasting naman yung tint. Kaya man guys, I honestly loved it. I really loved it. But it's so expensive. It's like 1,250 sa BTS MAKEUP. I don't know the price like sa physical shop sa Robinsons and sa Glorieta. So if you're a fan of BTS, if you're an ARMY and you have the budget, I do recommend that you get that kasi ang ganda na talaga. Pero kung wala naman, alam mo yun, out of reach sa budget, edi wala tayong magagawa. Gaya ko, wala akong magagawa. Because alam mo yun, thank you so much to BT Cosmetics for sending me those because I was able to experience the luxury of BT Cosmetic. Alam mo yun? Pero like, in my budget, will I buy it? Like, I don't know. I can't. Siguro sa Pasko, pag meron silang parang like deep red, like sexy vampy red, I would probably get that one on Christmas for myself. But right now, I don't think so. Why are you looking at me? Why? But overall, I love the cosmetics, but it's just expensive. Yeah. It's high-end. Pag dumating na dito sa Pinas. Pero pag like, sa dollars kasi din sa website, tapos kinonvert mo sa dollars, para nasa mga 900, 800 lang. Pero syempre, you know, yung taxes pa and everything. So, umaabot talaga siya ng 1,000 plus above. But yeah, I think that concludes this video. I hope you were able to enjoy our little wear test and of course, your makeup application. Again, if you have the budget, go for it. Really good products, really good quality. It's just expensive. So, thank you so much for watching until the end. Like I said, abangan nyo yung BT Cosmetics skincare naman, yung tryout na ginagamit ko. Yun yung skincare na ginagamit ko ngayon. I'm not wearing any makeup anymore kasi nga naligo ko kanina. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next one. We have so many more products na bubusisiin. Just wait for it. Thank you so much. Bye!